Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Sbmachineshop. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazy Man Garage.
Mr. Munoz brought me a gift.
Where do you want me to put it, bro?
Why don't you tell the people what that is?
This is a B16 core for Lazy Man Garage.
We can put it on the cooler. It had you surface.
My dad's house, so I got back here,
Oh, man.
and then now I just finally got to sit
Oh,
down.
you need shirts made or?
Oh, no, we have some. We just got to get more in. This shirt's from our buddy,
Our bill?
Arbill. I think Vasil gets some done from him, too.
Ooh.
Working on it today or what?
Me? No, not today. It was like the weather, it's all like rainy and stuff. And everything's all wet.
Cisco's had to come back to talk about Robert Potato in it.
Damn. So what do you do? Let people know what you do.
You guys are sponsoring each other?
So what we do is we rebuild engines for race car applications most of the time. This right here is a Honda cylinder head. So mainly what we do is Honda stuff, but we can build anything.
So you guys do like ports and polish?
We do porting and polishing. We do bronze guides installation, triangle valve jobs, custom valve jobs, all that stuff. Yeah.
So anything that they need, whether it's sleeving or just a full-on just
Anything.
OEM spec rebuild.
Anything from OEM to performance.
And where do they go?
Which one?
Like where do they go to get this done?
Oh, Munoz Performance Heads or San Bernardino Machine. It's how I'm known locally, but online, MPH, Munoz Performance Heads.
I'll be posting a link in the description down below to his Instagram. You guys can go there. All his shop information is also right there. Make sure when you guys go there, if you guys are local to San Bernardino, let him know that Lazy Man Garage sent you, and he'll take care of you. The homie Warm Works just hooked me up. I got 2 of Deaf Guy's shirts. You guys saw in the previous video, and then he hooked it up with a buttload of stickers. There goes Deaf Guy's Civic. Warm Works, that's definitely going on the car. The yellow one, that's definitely on the car. The red one is going on my Civic. Got some little cards. Here's where you go to get your car designed. If you guys need it, his name is Jeremy Worm Harris. I really don't know if that's his middle name. Then he hooked me up with these 2 stickers. These are definitely going on the car too. One says Lazy Man. I guess the other one's probably for Louise because it's in black and white, and Louise rocks the white. We got a white one, that's going on Louise's car. We got another white one, a black one, and another yellow one. Wait, are these different? Are like one smaller? No, okay. And then another card. Thank you, Worm. I really appreciate it. Eventually, when he's not booked, we are going to be doing the same thing to my Civic, because I sent him a picture of my Civic. We're going to be doing the same thing, red, and probably throw, because he could do this to any car. So if you guys need like work done to your car and you want it to look cool and you want like a graphical like blueprint of what your car can look, because I don't think Deaf Guy has these rims, but if you were like, hey, I want to put a B series in my EF hatch that I don't have a B series in, he could do it. If you're like, hey, I want to put some Workmeister rims on there, he could do it. If you're like, hey, I want the JDM one-piece headlights, or I want to put an Integra Type R front end on it, he could do it. This guy is a master at his craft. I mean, look at this. I don't know whose CRX this is, but god damn is that shit clean. Yeah, if you guys aren't following him, I'll leave this information right here where you guys can follow him. He also goes by Wormworks on Instagram. I think it's _Wormworks. I'll put it right here. This time Squeak and Donnie can't make fun of me that it's not right here, so I'll put it right here.
Yeah.
Alex is here. He's gonna be we're gonna try to see something real quick. We're gonna try to see if I can clear this, because this is VHT yellow, but it's not glossy and shiny like I want it to be. So he brought some clear, and we're gonna shoot that boy, huh?
Vato loco.
Oh, yes.
But
that shine right here? All this right here? You can see the trees in the paint now. Instead of it just being like a flat color. Go ahead and shine that light. Pretty boy. Look at that. Shine and glisten. Ooh, ooh. Now we're just going to let this dry for a little bit. And then we're going to apply, how many coats?
Till we run out. 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 coats it is. Alright, so bad enough. I got fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bugs sitting on the tree. One said, get the fuck off of me. And I was shopping for a new car. Which one's me? A fresh convertible or an SUV. It's clean other than that. So when this hardens, I'll be able to just flick those bastards off, because for some reason bugs love it when you paint. But look at that shine. Ooh. 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 Alex right here, he's cleaning out his cuete right now, which is gun in Spanish or in slang. We just got done painting. So everything else is really smooth. All this is smooth. All that smooth, 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 smooth. And the only problem we ran into is this right here. See the fiberglass? Broke because I was sanding it, trying to make this into a shape, because this was a big chunk that was missing. So what I'm probably gonna do is put more fiberglass over this, sand this all down, put another layer of fiberglass, blend it, and then do another layer of fiberglass and have it go on this other side. Like, see the fiberglass here isn't that good, so I'll probably have to break that. And then like this part right here is good, right here is good, this is all good except for this spot, so I'm probably gonna have to redo that spot. Other than that, this side is still good, still solid. Underneath here there was a lot of cracks and holes and stuff like this right here. That's been filled in with filler. This is where fiberglass was. It's so smooth that you can't even tell. All these lines right here, all these lines that go all the way down, were all filled, were all like chips and pretty much pits. Like that right there was a pit filled in with filler. Then I'm gonna lay some primer like that. I mean some Bondo. That's also filler. Well, that's filler. All this was a big chip, gone now, nice and smooth. Just gotta lay some filler, and then that's just gonna be killer. Know what I mean? So I finished K-Way's bumper. This is done. There used to be a hole here. That's finished. There's no hole there anymore. Fiberglassed all the way through on the other side, as you can see. Fiberglassed. Bondo spot glaze. There was a hole here. What hole? I fixed that. And there was a crack that went from here to here, all the way through. That's gone. And then this is all finished. All this has been filled with spotting glaze to get rid of some noticeable cracks. And yeah, you can't even see the fucking crack no more. That's so sick. See, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is where all the, there's a layer right here of fiberglass. But it's all done. And I'm gonna close out this video here. If you guys want anything from Neo's Garage, use the link down below. Save yourself 5% off of your entire purchase. You guys want anything from Activia Racing, link will also be down below. Also, I want to give a shout out to Wormworks. Thank you again for hooking me up with the free merch. You guys are sick. If you guys want your car designed to look something like, as I hit the compressor, to look like that or that, hit up Wormworks. Also, huge shout out, thank you again to Sbmachineshop. If you guys need anything done, go there, tell them Chris sent you or Lazymangarage sent you, and they'll take good care of you. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I was about to say my old catchphrase. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.